Most expensive luxurious private jets in world. Welcome to my channel. In the realm of private aviation, a select few soar above the rest, both in terms of price and luxury. These are the most expensive and opulent private jets in the world, where sky-high comfort meets exclusive customization. We unveil the elite aircraft that redefine travel, offering passengers the utmost in lavish interiors, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled convenience, all at a price that reflects their status as the epitome of luxury in the aviation industry. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 5. Embraer Lineage 1000E. The Embraer Lineage 1000E stands tall among the world's most expensive and luxurious private jets, offering the utmost in opulence and customization. With a price tag of approximately $53 million, it provides a spacious cabin that can be tailored to individual preferences, encompassing lavish lounges, bedrooms, and even conference rooms. This aircraft boasts long-range capabilities, allowing travelers to journey to distant destinations in supreme comfort. Its elegant design, advanced technology, and attention to detail make the Embraer Lineage 1000E a top choice for discerning individuals seeking the pinnacle of private air travel luxury and exclusivity. Number 4. Dassault Falcon 8X. The Dassault Falcon 8X ranks among the world's most expensive and luxurious private jets, epitomizing opulence and sophistication. Priced at approximately $59 million, this aircraft offers unparalleled comfort, range, and performance. Its spacious cabin can be customized to meet the most discerning tastes, featuring sumptuous materials, ergonomic furnishings, and cutting-edge technology. With a range of nearly 7,500 nautical miles, it effortlessly connects distant global destinations. The Falcon 8X combines elegant design, top-tier amenities, and world-class engineering, making it a premier choice for those seeking the pinnacle of private jet travel, where indulgence and convenience meet in harmonious luxury. Number 3. Bombardier Global 7500. The Bombardier Global 7500 stands as one of the world's most expensive and opulent private jets, redefining luxury air travel. Priced at approximately $73 million, this aircraft boasts a sprawling cabin, innovative design, and cutting-edge technology. Its spacious interiors can be customized to the highest standards of refinement, offering passengers an unmatched sense of comfort and style. With a remarkable range, it effortlessly connects continents, making it a preferred choice for globe-trotting elites. The Global 7500 sets a new standard in private aviation, where indulgence knows no bounds, making every journey a voyage of utmost extravagance and convenience. Number 2. Gulfstream G700. The Gulfstream G700 is a pinnacle of luxury aviation, firmly establishing itself as one of the world's most expensive and opulent private jets, with a price tag of approximately $75 million. This aircraft redefines air travel with its spacious cabin, advanced technology, and sumptuous furnishings. It offers travelers an unparalleled experience, featuring a customizable interior that can include lavish lounges, bedrooms, and even a dedicated entertainment space. With a remarkable range and cutting-edge aerodynamics, the G700 effortlessly connects distant destinations in the lap of luxury. It represents the zenith of private aviation, where uncompromising comfort and convenience converge at the highest altitudes of opulence. Number 1. Airbus ACJ319neo. The Airbus ACJ319neo is an epitome of opulence and innovation, securing its place among the most expensive private jets in the world, with a price tag of approximately $101 million. This aircraft sets new standards in luxury aviation, offering a cavernous cabin that can be fully customized to reflect the owner's taste and style. Its spacious interiors can include bedrooms, lounges, dining areas, and even executive offices, all adorned with top-tier materials and cutting-edge technology. With exceptional range and fuel efficiency, the ACJ319neo provides seamless global connectivity, ensuring elite travelers experience unparalleled comfort and convenience while jet-setting around the world. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.